Because of your generosity, families in our community now have access to cleaner and safer drinking water. This eco-filter donation is helping households protect their health and improve their daily lives.
Para nosotros es de mucha ayuda económica y de mucho bienestar para nuestra familia.
Access to safe drinking water is something many of us take for granted, but for these families, this support makes a meaningful difference every day.
Thank you for anything.
Thank you for making this possible. Your support is helping create healthier homes and brighter futures for families in our community. A special thank you to John Mitchell for bringing together a community of supporters whose generosity is helping families access safer drinking water. Together, your kindness is creating lasting impact for families in Guatemala.